Hello Elementor users, I'm Gomitar here with you to share some exciting features of Happy Elementor. For the first time I'm here to share some exciting feature because I can't hold myself to share with you this exciting feature. Actually recently we have recently released extraordinary menu item which we have named Happy Menu, and with this menu builder widget you can create imaginary type menu items. And we recently released our menu items. What else you can create? We gave an idea how we can what else you can create with our happy menu items, happy menu widget. So here is our menu demos. This is the Envision's website's menu items. Envision has their own menu item and they have created this for their own purpose. So you can create this Envision type mega menu for your own self. But we get a buzz. People are very enthusiastic about how we have created the Dribble like mega menu with our Happy Addons. So you can see this is our menu website, demo.happyaddons.com. Here this is the Dribble's official website. So here you can see the inspiration sections. You will get the idea how it's look like. Now in the section of our Happy Addons menu section, see this is our website. In this section you will get these items, so almost look alike. So we get several queries how we have created these awesome look-alike menu items in our demo. Most of the cases we usually give our users the options to copy the demo items from here, but there is a challenge. We cannot give the users the access to the appearance sections of the menu items, so you cannot copy the menu directly which is available here or the backend of the WordPress menu items. So you cannot copy the menu items directly from here. For that purpose we are extremely sorry, we cannot give you the access on the from live copy features of this menu item. But here I am here with you to show how we have created the Dribble mega menu item and we have added in your menu items by using our happy menu widgets. Moreover, I like to share some other facts of what else you can do with the happy menu and what extra features you will get in the menu items. But before jumping on that section, I will show all the menu items which we have already shared, a simple exciting tutorial, upcoming video or flash video where we have shared we have already recreate our videos main website with our Elementor. So Happy Addons actually editors, Pumas like, so you can create this. But if I create all these menu items in one tutorial video, then it will be a mess. So it will take a long time because we have to do back and forth work to check it's okay or not. So for that purpose, today I'm going to share with these only the Dribble like mega menu items for you. But before jumping on this tutorial, I would like to share some extra informations which you will get in our menu items. So here the items, you can create a simple navigation menu without the menu items, something like that. If I jump on this section, just select a section item, then just search on happy or menu or happy menu, drag it here and just select any menu items. I just said I go to test menu, so you can use this menu item here. So this will help you to create a simple navigation menu for your website. But more interestingly, you can change the positions of your menu items. So if you want to set it center, if you want to set it right or justified, if you want to set it justified, then use this. So it's up to you. So I like to use it as a center. Now the interesting part is you can create your own menu items for specific for the mobile menu or also for the tablet sections. You can set the breakdown section, the responsive breakpoint from here, mobile menu items or tablet menu items. So you can customize it from here. So if I just go to the responsive mode, you just see What else you will see here in the tablet icon, in the desktop icon. Desktop icon is already changed. Desktop viewpoint. In the tablet icon sections, you will get the breakpoint. You will get the hamburger menu. You can change the hamburger items from here. Or if I want to add a icon here, it will be reflected here in the hamburger sections. See, the dribble icon is available here. If I don't want to see that, just remove it. This is not available here. Or just add it again. For checking purpose, I'm doing this. Just clicking here, the dribble icon is here. Or in the desktop sections, no dribble icon is available here. So you can create your own customized menu item for your own website. What else you can get? Customized mobile and tablet menu I have already shared. You can create a mega menu. Mega menu already I have discussed with you. This is the mega menu. What else you can create with our mega menu, with our Happy Addons? And more interesting, now you can add an extra icon or badges for your menu items. How you can create this? To achieve that features, you have to jump on your WordPress dashboard backend, hit on the appearance section. Now go in the menu section, select your menu items, in which menu items you like. I have selected here test menu item, so this is my test menu. Just check it again for confirmation. This is the test menu, so I have selected here the test menu. So I want to create or add some extra features here. So to create that features of that, I want to add an icon and badges on my menu items. So to get that, you have to toggle these features to enable the happy menu items. Otherwise, you will not get these features. But to enabling these features, you have to hit the save button. Now, if you want to add information here, something interesting, the book section, I want to add new options, new books. New books will be available here. This is the default section. In the badge section, I am adding the new options, and I will give extra padding and extra margin. Padding margin. This is the border radius. Extremely sorry. I want to change the color. Text color, I want to use this white. Okay. One more thing I have to add. I don't want to add the menu item. Let's save the menu. Let's check it from here. Hit update. Just want to check is it working or not. I hope this will be interesting. This will give you an interesting option. So you will get. I just want to show you how it look like. So it's a very in the top class. So in this case, I just want to fit to hide. So now you can see how it looks like. New books are available. So if you want to show your users some interesting information, so you can use our badge features of our happy menu, so it will be reflected here. So if you want to add the badge features, you have to go in your backend options of your appearance settings. In the menu section, you have to enable these features, then go to our menu options. In the menu, happy menu, we just added the new book options here, the badge section. Now I like to add an icon here. Here is my home section. I like to add an icon here. So in this case, I like to select the icon here. So one interesting thing I like to share. This is very custom made menu items. It's look alike Elementor, but we create our own system to show you all the features of you. So I want to show here home icon. Which one be perfect? This one might be perfect one. Just use. You can say the color of your home. You can decorate you. We have the full features. Now hit the save button. Now cross it. Now save again. Okay. You have to hit the update button. Now reload it, wait for a while. See, you will get an icon here. This is the home icon I have recently added to the menu items of my test menu section. So I don't want to add the book item here, and I want to clear all these. So I save here. Now save it here. Again, hit refresh. All gone. So this is how you can say icon. Also you can say a badge icon for your menu items. So it will help you create an extraordinary or eye-catchy feature. Sometimes you will get requests from your client or for your own self, or you will get this type of features to have on their menu items. You have to do some extra work, but our Happy Menu will give that features, so it will help you a lot. So this is the basic part. What else you can do with our Happy Menu items? Now in this section I will show how we have created the Dribble like mega menu by our own self by using our Happy Mega Menu items. So jump on this section. To avail these features, you will definitely need our Happy Addons. Before that, without Elementor we are nothing. So you will be needed Elementor free version, Happy Addons free version, and the Happy Addons Pro version. All the three items you will be needed to get this feature. The best part is, if you want to create a mega menu, you have to work in the back end of your menu dashboard. So to jump on this section, I like to create a mega menu items of the Dribble. So here is the Dribble menu. I am selecting the Dribble menu for my working purpose. Now hit the menu, Happy Menu item, again do the work. Now the first part is the inspiration section. Now we have to create the inspiration section. Just click the inspiration menu. Again, I don't want to use any item, so I will clear all this section. So I don't want you any information here. Just create the mega menu. You have to enable the mega menu option. Then in this part I will show it on later, the default width, the full width, the custom width, what you will get in the next option I will show in the later. And the menu position, I want to set the default, or in the relative I want to set the relative, so it will be helpful for me. And I want to create my own builder, so I don't have any sub menu options here, so I want to create my own builder. Hit this button. You will get a Elementor canvas, so you can create anything like anything. So if you have a premade section, so you can add it by using the Elementor premade section. I have already added a premade section here. If you want to use that, definitely you can use it. So this is the process I have shared. So I will show how I have created these items here, definitely. But in this case, if you want to add your premade section, so it will be the process. Just hit the template section, go to your my template and insert it here, or you can use any block or page template from here. Also, if you have any plan, use our Happy Addons section items or menu items you can create. So all the it's a completely Elementor canvas space. You will get all the features. I have added these features, so here if I update the button, it will get the information in the front section of here. So in the section I want to remove here, just before doing this I just get a free cache free Elementor canvas, so I want to remove here. I don't want to remove, I just want to use the Happy Menu, Dribble menu, to use what I have get here. Hit the update. Now I have added, save, click here, close that button and save the menu. Now you will get the menu item which I have added from the my, see, already you will get a drop down options. What else you will get? Almost look alike the menu items of the Dribble. So these are the features, but I don't want to show how I want to show how I have created this item. So to do that, just jump on the section again, in the appearance section, edit the menu item. Now remove this. I just want to create a add a section. Now I want to add a inner section, because in the Dribble menu you will get the 2 columns here. So I like to add a 2 columns here. Sorry. Here we will use our list group feature. We have enhanced the features to make a Dribble like Mega Menu. It's our kudos to our developer team and also our designer team. Our designer team faced the issue while they have created these features, want to recreate these options that they have enhanced in the list group features as well. So to create this, I will definitely remove all the items, because it's almost same the items, but I need the icons or our information. So first one, I like to visit here, so edit item, go to the list group. I have added the list group here. Now I like to change the item here. You can use your own. This is the icon, number. You can use any image or none, so it's up to you. I like to use image. So I have already, for testing purpose, I have created these options, so I have added these. Now you can see the icon of the left side bar, left side item is here. Now I don't have any badge in this section. Beautiful website. I want to add some description, so lorem ipsum. I want to change the arrow. So this is here. To get extra informations or extra customization features, so you have to add a link here, because in the menu items definitely you have to add a links, otherwise it will not work. Or if you want to just show the text, then definitely you can show the text, but I like to add a link here. So link item will be available here. I have added a link, but now I want to add a custom look to these features. So hit the custom look button. So if you add the custom look, you already get options, which is the blink of the arrow section. Blink of the arrow section. Definitely you will like the features. So in these sections, I like to the hover color, hover background color. I want to set the hover background color. This is the hover background color. So to use this case, I am using a Chrome extension to get the color. This is the color picker Chrome extension. I like to use it. Most probably I miss the color. Obviously this is the features. We got this. Okay, we got the options. Now jump on the style section. I want to increase the items. This is the common items of the sections, so I just want to keep this thing same, but in the media type I want to add some space here. I want to increase the size. If you want to increase the size here, choose your size according to your need. So I'm doing it here. So I don't want to add the background color here. So if you don't want to add the background color, just make it transparent. Clear? Okay. Now the arrow and the color settings of the arrow. Okay, title in the descriptions. Previously I have shared the link color and the title description color. So in the link color, what is the link color here in the Dribble section? It's a dark title color, so we want to use the dark one. And in the hover section, what's the color of the hover? We need the color of the hover section, so most probably this one. I want to use it. Not this one, this is not the right one, I missed the color. Okay, again the color picker tool. Yes, this one. Yeah, the item is here. Okay, almost done. Now the direction button. So if you want to increase the size from here, 12. Okay. Okay, now if you, I have already just replicate the section here. Now just changing the option here. To get this type of animation, you have to go in the direction section. You have to on this badge, the direction badge. If you on this badge, then you will get. But there is still a lot of a simple work. If you want to remove this circle, in this case you have to select the border type solid, then select the color from here. It will be a transparent color. If you select the transparent color, yes, the item gone. And in this case you can increase the button item. Now I want to set it 15. Now it looks okay. So now we get item, menu item, just almost look alike this one, but still there is a room for work, because this is the option. You will get border radius in this section. How we can achieve this? In this case, to get these features, you have to go to the common section. Same thing you have to do, set a border radius here of 10. It's not visible right now. If you add 20, it can be visible. So here is the options. So I don't want to create 20, yes, I want to set it for 15. I hope it's look like great. Now I want to just replicate these options, to replicate these items, because almost all the items are same. So if you want to, sometimes it doesn't work here, but don't worry, the image item will be available here. So here now comes these icons. So I have to add this icon. So it's, I want to upload as VZ here. I forget which one. Let's, for save purpose, I just uploading all of them, because I want to use them on later. So all the Dribble icon will be available here. I am saving this. So most probably this one. Yes. Now I like to replicate another item. So I want to check which one. This is this one, the play ops. The play ops. Sorry. Blue tapes VG. This one, I think this one. Green and white circle. This one. Okay. Now I like to replicate another item. Now which one is that? This is the blog. Okay, blog. The blog look alike the blog item. My bad. Each and every time I'm doing the same mistake. This is the blog icon. Now I don't have these options, so before jumping on that I want to save. So copy, download, save as .svz. Maybe I'm doing a mistake. Okay, let's check. In this case, does it work or not? I want to replicate this section again. Okay, just jump on here. Sorry, upload this. Yes, it worked. I made a mistake. Okay, almost the left side options column almost done. Oh, here is an options. I want to add a new section in this item. To do that, I have to go here in the second item. You can say a badge, new. Okay, see, now we have to say it as style, badge style. For color purpose, what is the color they're using? They're using a light color. Okay, in this case they are using the common title color. For time saving purpose, I just want to visit here the hover section. No, sorry, I forgot. In the title and description sections, in the hover section they are using this color, so I'm just copying it here. Now go in the badge section. I want to use the text color here, so the text color is here, and the background color, it's likely this one, most likely this one. Now the spacing options, also you will get a padding. In the top case you will add the 5, in the right I will get the 10, in the left you will get the 10, in the bottom you will get the 5. Something look like, but spacing I just want to this. If you want to make it more smaller, then you have to just set it as 7 or 7 something. If you have full freedom to set the typography for these options, so if you want to change the text icon size by using this here, so almost look alike. Now I like to set a section here, but before doing this I like to add a background color of these sections. To enable that features, you will be needed the background features or background color. So here I will be needed the color picker tool to save my work. So this one is my background color. So I'm using a common color here. So I'll say it, done. Okay, now add a heading, text heading. So just want to use the same heading. In the style case I just want it as a black, and the typography I want to say to change the typography settings. Okay, I don't want to use any stroke. In this case I just want to add the left side case as 20 space options pixel or padding. Now I like to add the list. You can use the icon list. Come on. Hey, what's the problem? Yes. Again, remove the list informations. List item for Dribble. Okay, I don't want any icon here because Dribble has no icon. Okay, now alignment is okay, space this will be helpful if you add more items here. Information are not available, just hit that follow the process. So how many items are adding? They have added here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. They have added 8 items. In the style section you can use the items options, list item. Now the color of the items, no, I don't have any icon. So text color will be text color. Here's the hover color. So does they have any hover animation? So they have a hover in black. So this seems good, but I want the hover color, so I use the black here. So this is the black. Okay. If you want to increase the text size, so here is your options. So play with that tool, make your font color, font size look alike, similar to that. I don't want to waste extra time because I have added a 20 pixel padding on the left side of this heading. Now I'm adding this, but the items are not in the top in the section, so I want to add an extra advanced padding here in the top section, so items will be in the same alignment. So 25 pixel most probably looks same. Okay, now here comes another interesting thing for you. I want to add a border shadow. They have a drop shadow here, so you can see the drop shadow here. So sorry, easy. Here it is. So in this case, you will be needed the box shadow features of Elementor. In the style section, I'm using these options. The color, where is the box shadow? Typography, border. In the border section you will get the drop shadow. It's already here. Okay, if you want to say it, because they have your own border, so you can say the border here, border radius. I am giving here 15 border radius to get a similar look to that features. So I have a border section. You can customize these features by spreading left, vertical or horizontal. So it's up to you. If you want to make it more blur, you can create it here. Almost all done. Just hit the update button. Now jump on here, hit refresh. Let's check how it looks like in the front section. So now I want to change the positions of the whole section. I have added the hide defeat to screen, so I want to remove it now. Come on, the loading screen, I want to make it default. So now you can see almost Dribble like look-alike design for you. See, almost done. Okay, few more works are available here, are also available. So if you want to, now in the menu items I have added features. Now it comes this section. So I have added, you can set your custom width. You can see the default version is here. The default, by default you will get this window. If you want to set your own custom padding, then 750 500 pixels will be the default value. You can change it by yourself. So if you want to change it, if you want to make it 800 pixel, so you can do it. Or position, you can change the position of your menu items. Just hit the save button, cross or click in here, hit the save again and refresh it here. Wait for a while because Elementor will loading. So I'm using the default option, and you can see I saved the 800 pixel for this menu item wide angle wide the viewport sections. I have added these options. So this is how we have created the dribble like menu item for these sections. Okay, now I would like to add these options, job board and freelancing. So in this case I will add in which section is this is the find work is the job board and freelancing projects. So here in the find work section I want to create it in another section, sorry, here. Okay, edit with Elementor. For saving time, or to save my time, I like to show you an interesting features. To jump on back, you can save the features from here, or for testing purpose I am doing it for you. You can do it by your own self while you are editing. Just copy this element, go back, save item, yeah, circles found, save, edit with Elementor, edit the mega menu. Now get a paste. Yeah, it's working now. I hope this item are available right now. Okay, now I have two items here, job board and freelance projects, and there is an options Pro Plus. So in this case I need these two items, so I will remove the extra two features, and to change the icon, again I made this mistake, extremely sorry. The job board options, which one is the job board icon? This is the blue, this one. Okay, this is the job board, and here it comes. I'm not changing the text actually, so to save the time as well. This is the freelancer work, but I have to change the badge here. I can say the Pro Plus. Yes, most probably is here, Pro Plus. All the items are bold. You can type it here, Pro Plus. Okay, the menu items are here. Just hit the update button. Now set the custom positions. So I want to create almost it's halfway, so I am using the 400 pixel. So use the px or pixel to determine the section, determine the idea. Now hit the save menu. Now refresh it here. Let's check what's happened in the front end. We got the menu items. See? Oh, I forget to add the drop shadow. So to again, you have a full freedom. Go to there, edit the section. This is actually, that's why I'm saying it's it needs time to create this kind of thing. So it's a very much time, and it requires time and nothing else, and you have to keep passions to do your work. To change the settings, the positions, horizontal position and the vertical position, to make it more and create extra blurry mode. Update it here, cross it here, save the button, cross and save the menu. Okay, refresh it here. See, things are here. Interestingly, I'm getting these options. One thing, it's a relative, so if you want to set it default, you can set it default here. Save the menu. Again, hit refresh. But you can see the problem here. So I want to change my mind. I want to set it relative and save it. So you can see what kind of problem you will face if you do this type of issue. Because I have to set the menu items in the center, so I have to make it relative as well. Now in this section, I have already done to this part. There have no menu items here, so they have in this section, so I have to do this again. Okay, GoPro or hire a designer section. Add the menu item. Let's check. Paste. See the difference when you will get the options completely loading or not. In the design section here, you will the designer search and a list of job item and the project past. Okay, so I have needed only 3 items here. Okay, but I want the badge icon here in the first section, so I want to change the badge icon. What is the color of this? The all yellow dots in the center in the blue. The section, sorry, all yellow dots center in the blue. This is, and the job, the new one. It's already added a new one to save my time as well. Okay. Oh, another thing, in the list item, in the style case, in the badge, you can set your own border radius. So if you want to set the 5, the border radius will be 5. So now it's look good. Yeah, I forget to add these features, show you features, so now you can see. Now I have these icons, so the read and the other options. Okay, in the content section, go to this option. This time I didn't forget that. Rage and this one. Okay, I like to add another one, so I forget the last one. This is the plus icon, plus, yes, this one. So hit the update button. One more thing, you can save your design, because as you get the all Elementor canvas here to create your own design, so you can do whatever you can do in the Elementor pages or Elementor sections, so you can do it here in the navigation menu. So you can save it as your own template, as Dribble Dribble section 3 as is your own opinion. You can save it as your own, so you can use it on later. So you can see this way. Now cross it here, and don't forget to set the custom position. So I definitely use the 400 pixel for here and save it here now, and all the things are same. Okay, save, hit the save button. Okay, now check it in the front end. Oh, sorry, I don't. Command R. Let's check it now. Wait for a while. Again, I forgot to give the shadow. have to give a shadow here. Wait for a while. When the Elementor Page Builder will completely loaded, it will give you the access to do this work. Okay, to get a shadow in the style section, go to the border. In the shadow section, add your own shadow. Horizontal, vertical, spread. Just a quick recap. And don't forget to save. Select the save button. Wait, when it's complete, it will be gone. Okay, cross. Now save the menu item. Now refresh. Okay, we got this item here. Okay, now design this section as well. Okay, I want to add a new column here to get the dribble icon. So I need an image section and to use the dribble and middle. Okay, in the style section I will need the full content and the padding. So in the top I want to give 20. Okay, something. Okay, it's done. And the menu item, I like to set the menu item not in the center, just like in the sorry, not left one, just like Dribble left one. Okay, Dribble has another few options, button and signing. Okay, I want to add a new section here. Another section. Okay, Dribble, search, okay. Later on I will use the search, SEARCH search form. Oh, to use the search form you will need it. The Elementor Pro. Currently I don't have added the Elementor here, so I don't get the options. So this is very bad. I don't want to use that. So let's just keep, or let's add Elementor. I have add page stop. Activate here, update. To add it, the extra features of the Dribble, the search form and the sign in and button. So I can add the signing button is very easily from here. So now I get the search, SEARCH search from here. Okay, size minimal, only search, no text. Okay, style concise, no border radius. Okay, fine. I want to make it small, icon size, make it bigger. Advanced padding, okay, make it 20. And now add a button. You can use our dual button to get the features, like you can create these type of options by using Happy Addons dual button. So button text, I don't want a connector here. Remove the connector or hide the connector from here. Primary button, we have a preset, so let's check which preset is working fine here. This preset, not this one. Let's check. This one can be very much helpful for me to design separately. Okay, this is one. This one comes with the sign in. Okay, this text will require sign up. Okay, secondary is the sign up. Style, primary button, as we don't need the primary color, it's only text color, so I don't need any primary background color. I just want it transparent, but text color is the black. Sign in. Typography, you have to set the typography. Sign in here. Okay, in that case, sign up button need to be designed in the color. We have to, this is the primary button. In the secondary button, you have to go the background color. So say the Dribble background color. What is the background color? It's just something like pinkish. The hover color, you can say. Okay, it's a very challenging to get these features, so I will go with my basic string. Almost close. Oh, sorry. Secondary. Where is the secondary button? Okay, and the 20. Now I just the 50 top and the bottom in the 15, something like. Okay, sign up. The hover color, you can change the hover color from here. This one. Okay, oh, I forgot to change the hover color. What is the hover color of this button? No hover effect, so jump on the text color. There is no hover effect. Primary button. No hover effect. Done. But you have to add in the padding in the top. So I have added 20 padding. So it's a very bigger in this case. Okay, let's check all these things are aligned or not. Almost done. You can set your button text or button size from here, so it's look very bigger. So I don't want to do that. In that case, I just want to set in the top, the bottom in the 10. Okay, button size, we can reduce the button size. Okay, fine. In the primary button, just change okay. Now we have added these options. Now we want to create this section. It's a very easy, you can create by your own self. So we have already know how we can create this section. We needed 2 column here. So for better purpose, I'm using the inner section. So I want to use an image here. So I have already added the Dribble image. Most probably, oh, I forgot to add that. In this case, I have to add. This is the page image. Already they have added. Now I like to add these tags. This is the heading section. So okay, where is this? So no, add heading text. Okay, now paragraph text. Color, make it dark. Add a paragraph text editor. Do that. Okay, what is the color of the paragraph? It's a little dark, not fully dark, so make it more dark. Okay, now add a button. So I'm using the default button, the Elementor, so that okay. What is the name of the button? Sign up. Sign up. Okay, now change the color. The normal color will be this one, almost close, not a perfect one. You have to pick the color from the website if you do that. I don't want to do that by this time. Not that great color. Okay, make it more fade. Okay. Now set a background color of this section. Okay, again I have to jump on the Dribble and use the color picker. Okay, choose the color. All set. Do they made it center align? Okay, made this column center. Content. Vertical line middle center. Set it default. Okay. In this case, the best way is adding some padding of 10 or 20. Okay, Dribble has mass option, so to make this section is full width. Okay, now sorry, and the layout. Center. Okay, middle. Now it's working. Default. Okay, now hit the update button. Okay, change the style of the text color. Okay, if I changed it, okay, no. Default one. Is there any background color? this. Now check it from the front end. This is our final look. From the very beginning I'm just trying to create this option. So let's check. This is the Dribble menu, this is the option. Now background, adding footer. So you are creating this. That's great. So this is how you can create a Dribble like mega menu for your own. So I'm going to throw there. I take too much time to create all the things because all the things needs a back and forth facility, and it's almost I have time to giving a lookalike. So in this process you can create by using Elementor and Happy Addons Pro. You can create this kind of extraordinary feature or extraordinary mega menu in your website. So this is all about for today, my dear friends, my dear Happy Elementor users. So see you in the next video. Stay connected, stay happy. If you find this tutorial helpful, definitely leave a comment in the description, leave in the comment, and I will share all the available links and all the inspiration links are in my description so that you can get all the idea. So thank you for watching, my dear friend. Again, stay connected. Join our Happy Addons community. If you like to join them, join and contact with us and share your information. And if you find any difficulties, then definitely contact our support team. So this is all about for today. So see you in the next tutorial. Stay connected, stay healthy. Tada, bye bye.